In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete purchase history on Yahoo Mail. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your inbox effectively. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once it is open, type in Yahoo in the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of search results related to Yahoo. This step is critical because it sets the stage for accessing your Yahoo Mail. You want to ensure that you are using a reliable browser to avoid any issues while navigating the site. Be patient as the page loads. It should only take a few moments. Now you need to click on the correct link that leads to Yahoo's official website. It should be the first result, typically showing as Yahoo Mail, News, Finance, Sports, and Videos. Clicking the correct link is important because it ensures you are on the legitimate site, which helps keep your account secure. Once you click, the Yahoo homepage will load, showing various features and options available. Next up, if prompted, sign into your Yahoo account. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. This step is essential because accessing your account is necessary to view and manage your purchase history. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-step verification, be prepared to enter the code sent to your device. Once logged in, you should see your inbox along with other folders. At this point, locate the Purchases or Receipts Smart folder in your left navigation menu. Click on it to open the folder. This folder contains all your order confirmation emails, which are crucial for tracking your purchases. By accessing this folder, you can easily find and manage the emails you wish to delete. This organizational step saves you time later when you are ready to remove specific emails. Now, check the boxes next to the order confirmation emails you want to remove. Take your time to select only those emails you wish to delete. This is an important action because it allows you to be selective and avoid deleting anything accidentally that you may still need. Selecting the correct emails ensures you maintain a clean and organized inbox, making it easier to find important messages in the future. Once you've made your selections, click the Delete or Trash Can icon at the top of the screen. This action moves the selected emails out of your inbox and into the trash folder. It's a simple yet effective way to declutter your email. You will see a brief confirmation that your emails have been moved, reassuring you that the action was successful. Next, go to your trash folder in the left sidebar. This folder contains all the emails you have recently deleted, including those purchase confirmations. It's crucial to check the trash folder to ensure that you are ready to permanently delete these emails. By accessing this folder, you can review what you have chosen to delete before making a final decision. Finally, delete the emails one more time to remove them permanently. In the trash folder, select the emails again if necessary and click the delete icon. This step is important because it ensures that the emails are completely removed from your account and do not take up any space. Once completed, you can be confident that your purchase history has been effectively cleared from your Yahoo Mail. Thank you for following along. You have now successfully deleted your purchase history on Yahoo Mail.